I'm going to talk to all you publishers out there because I am a publisher. I have been publishing since my firstborn was 1 year old. When I went back full time after my mat leave, I knew that I did not want to stay back full time. So I ended up starting publishing, and at the time it was like super lucrative. Basically, you just published a book and you would make a lot of sales. It's a lot harder. You have to do a lot more advertising, sell your books. I know how hard it is. It's hard to find time to write. If you're writing your own books, maybe you're using a ghostwriter. It's still super time consuming, getting things edited, a lot of costs involved. My passion is writing. My passion is putting out books, writing books that speak to people. I write a lot of romance books and I love it. I have a great following. The problem is it's very time consuming. For all you publishers out there, why not continue on growing your publishing business, putting out quality books for 2 hours a day? Just take 2 hours of your day and start this online business, start selling digital products. You can have the best of both worlds. You could have a successful publishing business that is continually bringing you in passive income, and then you can have this daily pay, $900 a day, selling digital products. Would that change your life? It's win-win. Selling books, writing for people that want to read your material, entertaining people, and then you know that you have guaranteed daily pay with an amazing program, gives you your own website, fully automated. Why not do both? Why not have both? I truly believe that this is perfect for publishers. For me, I'm a full-time teacher as well. I publish, I write. It's very time consuming. So I have been waking up 2 hours earlier just to work on this business, and I'm already seeing huge profits. I'm telling you, publishers out there, writers out there, check it out. Comment ready, and I would love to show you how you can have the best of both worlds. Guaranteed. Just check it out. It's free info. You have time to research. You're a writer, right? Comment ready if you're ready.